Uy, ang ganda ko sa picture na post ko kayo.
Sure, you look great there.
Okay, wait. Tag kita.
Okay.
Okay, tamis tempo. Uy guys, kapag this song, nagpapag na tempo.
Oh, ikaw! Si Patrick from Temfor. Hindi pala kumor mga Bisaya, mga Baduy.
Typical na Bisaya, boy. Jejemon.
Okay, by that, right?
Bulog ka ba? Lahat ng Bisaya, ganyan pumorma.
You don't even know what fashion is, bruh.
So, just because you don't like their outfit, we immediately judge them as Bisaya.
Yo, dude.
Puro Bisaya ka din. Hindi ako kumorma eh.
That's our styles.
Ang tawa ni guys, oh. Diin man. Dito, oh. Si Ara sa iya? Ara, oh, smart. Tagalog man siya, no? Lugakaing pagpag ba?
Hambal mo lang gid na pagpag kinakaon na basa iya dahil.
Oy, people from Luzon are pagpag enjoyers. Tagalog, kain pagpag.
Dungal ka gid tanay.
Uy, boss. Go, boss. Maboy.
Ito pala si Mark. Magwalang ko din. Mula ako sa Mindanao, sa Tabaco. Kakadating ko lang dito sa Manila, kagabi lang. Bago lang ko enroll, wala akong masyadong kaibigan. Di ko, okay lang sa inyo, may friends tayo. Para may banding ba niyo, may jabbing ko ba? Lagaw-lagaw tadi. Do mahirap lang kasi na, bago lang ko din sa kabi ko eh. Iba, akong lingwang, hihirapan ko magtagalog, Bisaya abi ko. Kung mabuligan, makapatulungan niyo ako click twins tayo, mga boss.
Your accents sound kind of rude. Sorry, not accepting a friend request from someone who can speak to it. I guess your mother said it like this. Go make friends there, you Bisaya. Bisaya, sir, something.
Porket Bisaya ako, di niyo ako kakaibiganin. Kakarmahin sana kayo, kakarmahin kayo. Ay mga Tagalog kayo, porket Bisaya. Kami hindi niyo kami kakaibiganin. Ay mga Tagalog, grabe kayo ha. Hindi porket Bisaya, kami hindi niyo kami kakaibiganin. Tandaan niyo tong araw na to, kakarmahin kayo mga Tagalog, kakarmahin kayo.
Sa Bisaya ang biyaya, at sa Tagalog ang ba? Bisaya art ka.
Ralabar pagpag dito.
Bisaya are hegemons. You need to stop this racism and discrimination. Those words and statements have moral implication in our dialects and against in our human dignity and Catholic moral teachings.
Yes, sana all. Sana all people get this info.
Yes, because we're created in the likeness of God.
Also, we are relational beings. We are related, fundamentally equal.
So we should respect our fellow Filipinos despite their dialects and actions. We need to love and understand them because we have the equal rights and God's love.
How can you solve this moral issue?
By following this.
Promoting cultural and linguistic diversity in education, using social media to promote respect and awareness, teaching Christian values for online behavior, creating safe space for dialogue and understanding.
The winning pride of the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao!
And lastly, celebrating role models from diverse regions.
We should to discipline and educate ourselves first for us to understand that discrimination won't lead us to win or conquers others' dignity.
This is our battle also, not just for an individual time. Let's appreciate others' culture and always remember, God created us equally in His divinity.
Guys, there's a Bisaya over there.
Ano?
Oh, we have a Bisaya friend.
Guys, there's a Tagalog over there eating pag... Ha? Pagkain mala.
Whether Bisaya or Tagalog, we should respect each other, share the love, give peace, and appreciate everyone.